A and Z together, A to Z together. I can't explain that. Is it a love song?
Yeah, it is. Love song.
Is it a love song? So she's saying beautiful like the stars or something.
Yeah.
Have I got the wrong end of the stick? No, like that. Yeah, nice guy. So that, yeah, that's.
You're guessing right.
Huh?
You're guessing right.
Yeah, no, but she's trying to say no. Yeah, half of it was English. Wasn't respectful. Half of it was English. That's fine.
Allah.